Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is pdyphotography, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change colors in Photoshop. So for instance, let's say you have a model that has blue shirt and you want to change it to maybe yellow, or change blue to green or green to blue or whatever it is. I'm going to be showing you with just some few steps how you can do that in Photoshop. That being said, let's jump right into Photoshop and let's see how it goes. So we are here in Photoshop and I have this beautiful image that I've downloaded from pexel.com, and as you can see here by the name Pexel Norman Mortensen, that's the artist that took this picture, the photographer that uploaded this picture. And we want to, let's say, change the color of this blue dress and the blue background to maybe green. Maybe for some whatever reason the client wants green instead of blue. So what we do here is just duplicate this layer. To duplicate this layer, just press Ctrl Command J and then it will duplicate the layer. Then we go to this button over here and then click on it, and from here we can select hue and saturation. So hue and saturation, so basically hue is basically the color range of the picture. So if the hue is yellow, that means the color is yellow. And if you want to change the color from yellow to green, maybe we say you are changing the hue from yellow to green. So something like that. All right, so here, the colors here we want to change are the blue colors. So go to where you have this master and then click on it and then select blues. So you want to change the blues here. So just after selecting the blue, you can expand this and then maybe drag your image to this side. Use the hue slider to change the color. So as we go down, you can see how the colors are changing. And so when you reach the color you like, then you pause and then you take it from there. And please take note not to do this in a very excessive manner. As you can see over here, you can see some artifacts over here that the selection is not that clear. We want green, so I'll just slide back a little. And I think this green is fair enough and the colors look fantastic over here. You can see before and after, before and after. And you can do that in just less than maybe a minute or something. That's how to change colors. So maybe you can add some saturation to the green, and then be careful what you do. You can reduce it and make it a little more light so that you get that greenish tone but not too much. And you can manipulate anything you want. The good thing about this is that this is non-destructive, and that means you can go back and do changes to that particular layer, the hue saturation layer over here. You can basically change the color to anything. So maybe you have a product photo of maybe a lipstick and then you want to change the color from red to blue or green or something like that. You can use this method and you can easily do that. This is just one way of changing colors in Photoshop, and I hope this has been helpful. If you find this useful, please leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Leave a comment in the comment section below. You can tell me the next video you want to see and I'll be glad to help you with that. So guys, till next time, see you. Peace.